So here we have the Volkswagen Golf on a 21 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase the space even further. And then underneath this tray section, loads more space again. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. On the right-hand side, the speedometer. You can see the total miles of the car just beneath that. They are 4,619. You can change virtually everything that you see being displayed there. So first of all, you can change the actual display itself. So similar information, just displayed differently. And there are a few options with that, as you can see. And eventually you get back round to the beginning again. Within each of those different screens, you can also then customize the information itself. So for example, in the middle here, you can change that information. So you might want a speedometer. Over on the right hand side, you might decide that you would like the time displayed over there, and over on the left hand side, your fuel gauge, for example. So really it's fully customizable up on that screen, and the buttons that I was using to do that are on the right hand side of the steering wheel just here. We also have a heated steering wheel, which you can turn on and off from here. We have our stereo controls, which continue over on the left-hand side, along with cruise control. Once you set cruise control, hit this button in the middle. This car is able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front, both speeding up and slowing down automatically, depending on the car in front's speed. Over in the center, we then have the touchscreen for the car. So this is one of the home screens. There are a few different choices of home screen, and you can swipe through those up here or use the button just there, any way you want to do it. You will have noticed on the screen next to this one, that this car has got satellite navigation. There's a full video showing how this system works on our website and on our YouTube channel. You can go back to the home screen again from there. You can access your music. You will see we've got radio, of course, FM, DAB, and internet radio. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do. You can do that via Bluetooth audio, or under My Media, you can make your own playlists on there if you wish to as well. Also, if we back out from this screen ever so slightly, you will see that you've got a few other buttons down here. These are in addition to the options you've seen on the screen already. So for example, climate control, you can access from there. You can adjust the fan speed up and down from here. You can adjust the direction the air is being distributed in once it enters the car. You can turn the whole system off if you wish to from there. We've also got a menu for assist systems. We've got a parking menu, which will open up the reversing camera, and mode. That will change the driving setup of the car. So you can drive in eco, comfort, sport, or individual. And under individual, you can customize all of these things for yourself. So for example, you might want the steering set to sport and everything else in comfort. You can do that. Below that, we have wireless phone charging available here, as well as 2 USB-C inputs. We have the start and stop button for the engine. We can put the car in park. We then have reverse, neutral, and drive on here, along with an electronic handbrake and auto hold function. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.